Aloha, my name is Andy. In this video I will try to upgrade the CPU to Core 2 Quad Q6600 to a HP Compact DC7800 Ultra Slim Desktop PC. Before I upgraded the BIOS to the latest version. So let's begin. For the upgrade I need the CPU, thermal paste for the CPU, a flat-bladed screwdriver, a paper towel to clean the heatsink from the old heat paste thermal paste. Already I removed the heatsink and the CPU from the motherboard, and now I will insert the new CPU, a Core 2 Quad Q6600 and works at 2.4 GHz. Now I will apply a thermal paste, but not too much. It's time to put back the heatsink and drive in for the screws. Okay, it's done, and now I will put back the cooler. Now I will plug in all the cables, the internet cable, the monitor cable and the power cord. Now I will press the power button, but I don't have video signal. The PC is not starting. When I push the power button, the fan is moving for about 2 seconds and it stops. I think the motherboard not support this CPU. I tried 7 CPU with this motherboard and all the CPUs TDP was 65 watts. I verified the specification and this CPU TDP is 105 watts, almost double. I think this is the problem. In the future I will try with Q9400 that has only 94 watts TDP. That's it. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe, comment, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. See you next time. Goodbye.